So what's the weight on those subs?
158 pounds apiece.
158.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's like watching from making Jesus.
Oh wow, I think I remember yours. The big.
I had the old T5Ks.
Yeah.
Now
Holy
the
crap!
17s.
So these can't even be mounted regular unless you're built
They
it.
scrub, but they can. The 12s
okay.
can, but,
Yeah.
but the 15 can. They're the super teens.
Okay. Wow.
13.5-inch wide motor.
Holy crap! You've done some work on this too.
Yeah, it's got 4 layers on it.
Wow. Nice. What's your cubic space on this?
It's 7.1, 3.55 per sub, 2
Okay.
to 28.
Wow.
2 super teens on a 14K. I give you a demo.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. What's up, Grandpa? Whoa, that's a big amp.
Yeah, it's a Korean 14K
Yeah.
on a C-Max 90.
Man, you've got dynamite in every inch of this vehicle.
3 layers, custom made.
Yes. It's a little loud, sorry.
That's fine.
So you can tell me whatever you want on the video for them.
That's fine.
What else in here, your name or anything.
My name's, oh, you ready?
Yeah.
My name's Ian Audio. My name's Eagle from Ian Audio. I run 2 Super Team 15s on an EM Prototype 14K, 90 amp C-Max. I wire it half daily. Box is 7.1 cubes, 10 to 28.
Did you do all this yourself, the install and all?
Yeah, everything. I'll
Very
let nobody
nice.
touch my shit. I'm picky.
Yeah, yes sir. Very nice.
Jared cut the box for me. I assembled it myself. I didn't want him to build a box.
Man, did a good job.
And then all this is custom powder coated, all custom braces powder coated, shit, no
That's
paint.
a good idea. I like the way you have it solid.
Yeah,
double
it
braces.
makes a big
And
difference.
it's onto the box. Yeah.
Yup, it catches all 3 roof braces.
Have you done any SPO burp tests on it?
No, not yet. On the old setup, I did, not the new setup.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear, man. So what's the weight on those subs?
158 pounds apiece.
158. I think the last ones were 138 or something like that.
Yeah. It's been that long since you made that video.
It's been 3 years, yeah. 158 pound sub.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough we just got of Eagle's system, an insane huge subwoofer. And I also went ahead and put the previous link in the description for his last video he was talking about earlier a few years ago. I got a demo. This is actually the thumbnail of that. Definitely recommend checking that video out after you get the demo of this one. Be sure to give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive about Eagle's system. Did a great job, man. Shout out to you, and amazing products from y'all's company. So keep up the good work. So I really like that he has a center port, air port design layout. Optimized his box layout space as well. It is only a 15-inch subwoofer. I say only, but for the amount of magnet motor force he has, it makes it look almost like an 18-inch from the view. With the 158-pound subwoofers, definitely the biggest subwoofers that I've ever seen to this magnitude of a 15-inch on the motor. The motor structure is insane with this powerful 14,000-watt amplifier. The size of the amp is as big as the box, and it's taken up the whole vehicle to get the system as loud as it is. He's done a great job adding all this additional bracing as well as 3 layers of dynamite across the whole vehicle. So shout out to you, everybody. Give him a like if you haven't once again. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina, demo of 2022. Enjoy the demo.
A super cold like a cooler. Eliante got me, shout out to my jeweler. Madison, a bitch, call me, read the room. This llama here, look like a rubber. I call me a super cold like a cooler. I like to play the down road. I know you like it the first. I ain't go, yeah, I all over me like I jump in a cooler. Rolling on my left wrist, this ain't my cord. Diamonds all over me, got diamonds in my pores. Through my smile chain, like 10 rats, beat you hard. No chain, tell them with the carrots on the floor. Got carrots in my mouth, $30,000 more. I know nothing about the joke, but I straight up to the door. Your video could be nasty. 10 on the windshield, still see the clear. Too tall, only when I'm rocking tall full on. I rock the bloody baby when I'm feeling hot. Cool on, ice roll, super cold like a cooler. Eliante got me, shout out to my jeweler. Madison, the bitch, call me, ring the room. This llama here, feel like a rubber. Ice cold, super cold like a cooler. TikTok, I rock the place down the road. Cold like a cooler. Diamonds all over me, got diamonds in my pores. Oh, my smile chain, 10 rats to beat you hard. Your chain in the yellow, move the carrots on the floor. Got carrots in my mouth, that's 30,000 more. Nothing but the truth, I'm straight up to the door. Your vehicle be nasty. 10 on the windshield, you still see the clear. Too tall, rolling when I'm rocking tall full. I rock the bloody AP when I'm feeling hot. Cool off, ice roll, a super cold like a cooler. Eliante got me, shout out to my jeweler. Madison, a bitch, call me. I know you like it the first.
That's crazy. For 2 sub, no wall, man. I know. And the thing is that's really musical too. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you again. So what's the weight on those subs?
158 pounds apiece.
158. I think the last ones were 138 or something like that. Yeah.
It's been that long since you made that video.
It's been 3 years, yeah. 158 pound subs. That's the thumbnail. Thank you for being. Nice to meet you. Team EM Audio. Yeah. Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.